So good morning everyone. So today we are going to understand that what are the args and kwargs in Python. So let's start with the intro without wasting our time. So the args and kwargs are the special syntaxes in Python function that allows you to pass a variable number of arguments to a function. So you can understand it like they are used when you don't know in advance how many arguments a function might need to accept. So args allows you to pass a variable number of positional arguments, whereas kwargs allows you to pass a variable number of keyword arguments. So let's start with the args, which is the positional argument. So args select any extra positional arguments passed to a function into a tuple, as we can see on the screen. So the name args is just a convention. You could use any valid variable name preceded by a single asterisk. We use args as a convention only. It's not a rule that when we it will work only with the args, that it will work with any value like a strike values, a strike numbers, etc. Let's try it with an example to better understand that what args is. Let me create a function named as my function, and I am just creating args. It's a convention only. Okay, I can use any other value as well. uh, let's say dart. Okay, print type of dart. So now if I for r dart, let's took it darts. Okay, dart in darts, print dart. So now I'm going to call the function, and let's take one string as well. So now what is the output going to be? So the output is 1 2 3 hello. Yeah, 1 2 3 hello. So why is it happening? So we can see that args is just a conventional method, and what are the use cases of args as well. So args, in this example, args just collects all the positional arguments and pass to the my function into the args tuple. So that's what exactly happened behind the scenes. So now let's talk about the kwargs, which is the keyword argument as well. Its element is misspelled. It's arguments. Okay. So kwargs collects any extra keyword arguments passed to a function into a dictionary. It just converts into a dictionary. Again, kwargs is just a conventional name. You can use any other valid name preceded by two asterisks as written. So let's try it with an example as well. Let me create a same function named as kwargs print type of kwargs. uh, it is going to be by type dictionary for key comma value and kwargs dot items. What dot items do? Just comment it below. Print f key is this and values this. Just a simple Python code. Now let's try it by running the function. My function is just name is equals to ls with age is equals to 30 and city is equals to New York, as simple as that function. So now when I will let what I am going to get, let's see, class dictionary, we got the type of kwargs is dictionary as set, and got the key colon values as asked with the code. So this is the example of kwargs which collects all the keyword arguments into kwargs dictionary. So now let's see that what will happen if we combine args and kwargs. So we can use both args and kwargs in the same function definition. The order is important. Args must come before kwargs. This is important, and you can do anything. You can also include regular positional and keyword parameters. I have included some functions in the slide only, some code in the slide only. Let's check it. So I have created a function named as ab with kwargs c is equals to 10 and kwargs. So first one and second kwargs, what kwargs is going to give us? Dictionary. So we try to print all of these things. So my function is I give these all the values to it, and after that the output we got is this 3 4 5 goes into args as seen, and apart from that, name is equals to Bob, country is equal to USA goes into kwargs as they were of the type dictionary and they were type of the tuple. So that's the case how it goes to how it works. So now let's understand that what are the use cases of it. So basically the args and kwargs makes a function more flexible, allowing us to handle a varying in number of inputs without needing to define a specific number of parameters. Apart from that, the decorators often use args and kwargs to wrap functions that might have a different signatures value. So we can also use args and kwargs to pass arguments through multiple layers of function calls, and subclasses can accept extra parameters to those defined by the parent classes as well. Means it supports inheritance. There is an example that's showing that how it is used in inheritance method. We have created a class animal, then we initialize it, then created a class dog and a parent class which is animal, and just here is self, name, breed, args and kwargs. We have just initialize it, self breed is equal to breed, just give to an instance variable and then print args and kwargs. So when we call it the dog buddy golden retriever, so what do you think, what is the output that we are going to get? And in the dog 2, Lucy Labrador 123 color is equals to black, color is equals to black, and age is equals to 5. As we have understood, it is going to be in the dictionary and the rest of the things are going to be in the args tuple. So this is going to be output. This is your assignment, right? uh, and if you have any doubts, just comment it below. That's all for today. Bye bye. Thank you.